Hi guys, this is Asim from RepairDesk. Uh, actually, I'm just going to show you how the system works and how actually you can quickly create a repair job and actually create an invoice at the same time, how to manage your inventory and stock, and also manage your customers, employees all together under one platform. So just to give you an introduction, of the platform, that's Repair Desk is specifically built uh, for cell phone computer repair shops, so they could keep track of everything under the one platform. So the main screen, what you're looking at, that is the dashboard or main screen of the system. I'm just going to go ahead and start the demonstration. So on this screen, you can quickly have an idea of where your store is standing in terms of your net profit, cost of goods sold, and tax you have collected, and all that. And if you scroll down a bit over here, that'll be showing you what's coming up next. That is actually referring to your due jobs, your repair jobs, which are on the way. And on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see your stock alerts. Let's say if you're going out of your stock, system will be giving you alert on that. So all the way on the bottom, we got plenty of reports in sales report or inventory reports, and same goes for the employee report section too. But I'll come to the report section later on. Let me go to point of sale screen first, because point of sale screen is the screen from where actually you'll be booking in the repair job. And the best thing about Repair Desk is you can book in a repair job within less than 60 seconds. So I'll show you how. So let's say customer has walked into your store to get his iPhone 7 screen to be replaced or to be fixed. First of all, you might like to add, customer information. So let's say if I would take any name. So basically you could put customer email address, his phone number, his complete address as well. And also you can track down where the customer is coming from Facebook or any other referral. You can add more options from your store setting. So I'll just save it. So coming back to the scenario again, as I mentioned, customer has walked into your store to get his iPhone 7 screen to be replaced or to be fixed. First of all, you might need to select the right category, because in repair desk you can create different categories, and under those categories you can create then related problems, like problems associated with any category. So iPhone 7 definitely falls into mobile category. You select that. You select the manufacturer then, which is Apple, and the device then, which could be iPhone 7. Now, from this point, you'll be selecting the actual repair problem, which could be LCD or glass replacement. You can always add it, the price of it on the go as well, how much you do charge your customer, and or you can change the name of the problem. So let's say I do charge 120. So I'll simply save it. So once you select the repair problem, I'll head to next step. Now, this is the point from where actually you'll be selecting or associating the part with repair job. So the benefit of associating the part with repair job is that'll update your inventory level in real time whenever you create a ticket or generate invoice against that particular repair job. Again, you can always add the stock of it on the go, or you can update the cost price against the par. The other benefit of putting the cost price against the par is once again you generate an invoice or create a ticket against that, they'll minus the cost of that particular part from the repair service charges, and remaining would be your net profit, and that'll be reflected on your sales and profit report too. So you select the part, go to next step. Now this is the last part of working in the repair job. The interesting fact is that we got pre-repair condition checklists. Let's say during a quick check, you got to know along with screen might be uh, power button is not working or rear cam is not working. You can mark those cross. If other things are working fine, you can mark those checked. You can add more conditions by clicking on device condition green tab. Even you can create different conditions under different categories, or just keep the default one for everything. So I'll just save it. Also, you could also always take the customer signature on the same screen, make him accept your store terms and conditions, which you can set up from your store setting. You do also have an option to take the signature of the customer on secondary tablet or iPad. For that purpose, you would need to enable our customer facing display feature. I'll show you how you could do that as well too later on. So you can also add more custom fields as well by, I mean, if you think if any other field is not necessary, even you can disable that too, or you can add new one as per your business need. Also, that is the IME field understood and repair status. That'll be in the beginning, certainly in pending or in progress. But later on, whenever you change the status to repair, they'll again send email notification to your customer automatically. You could save the panel lock or passcode to unlock the device. If you're giving any warranty on particular jobs, you can mention that warranty, otherwise no warranty, because you can in repair this, you can check if customer come back to your store to claim the warranty. You can still look if that is in warranty or not. And device physical location is referring to, let's say you want to keep track down where the device is being placed in bin one or bin two. You can add more locations just by typing in over here. Assign to section is referring to you can assign the job to any of the technician at your store. They'll also get a notification on their account. Task type is referring to if you do any on-site or pickup, or they'll be just in the store. And task due date and time is referring to, let's say you want to give the device back to the customer tomorrow sometime, tomorrow maybe in the morning sometime, you could do so. And these are the diagnostic notes that'll be printed on the receipt as well. That is for yourself and for your customer to see. But these are just internal comments. That is just for yourself and for your internal staff to see. Let's say you wanted to mention something about the customer, something like that. And supplied items are something which comes along with the device, which you have to return back to the customer. Again, these are also customizable. You can add more from your store setting. So as soon as I'm done with adding all the information, I'll just confirm it. Once I confirm it, all the information is added on point of sale screen. So before creating a ticket, you can double check the information. So now on this point, let's say in any special case you're taking deposit or down payment against a repair job, you'll click on checkout first, take the deposit at the same time they'll create the ticket. But if you're not taking any deposit, you'll directly hit on create ticket. Once you do that, you'll have pretty much simple options either to print thermal receipt or even you can print mini label, which you can paste back on the back of the devices. Later on, scan the barcode and pull up the same repair job. That's how they'll look like. Or either you can print like thermal receipt as a check-in receipt, which you can give to your customer initially so that he can come back with the same receipt. Later on, you can check out the customer and generate final invoice. So as you can see, all the information is printed on the receipt, which we have entered while booking the job. And that is again auto-generated barcode, which you can scan later on and pull up the same repair job. So you got multiple options over here. You can email the receipt at the same time. So that was a quick process of how to create a repair job or how to create a ticket. Now I will show you guys how you can manage your repair jobs, what you have created so far. So in order to find out all of your tickets and manage, you'll simply go to repairs and manage ticket section. Once you go in there, you'll be able to see when how many are open, closed, or canceled. Uh, you can put in a search filter. Let's say you want to see past 14 or 30 days tickets. So the ticket we have created today, that is sitting right over here. You can even do some quick changes from over here. You can reassign the job to any other technician. You can change the due date and time, or you can change the status from in progress to repaired once the job is done. They'll again send email notification to your customer automatically. Right, so now over here, you can even edit the same ticket. Edit means sometime what happen is, let's say during a repair, your technician or yourself got to know, along with screen might be charging port is not working too. So instead of creating a new repair job against the same customer, you can edit the same ticket. So in order to edit it, simply click on action and add it. So once you do that, they'll take you into the detail of it. So let's say that is the problem we have added in the beginning, might be LCD or glass replacement. Along with that, let's say you're looking to add might be battery replacement, and they'll be added on the total price too. So you can add multiple problems, multiple devices in the same ticket if the customer is same. That could save a lot of years in your customer time too. So now I'll be saving the ticket and I'll be coming back to another scenario. The scenario is where of course, customer come back to your store to collect his repair device back. Again, to check out the customer and take the full payment, again, you'll go to point of sale screen. Now, even checkout processes quicker, more quicker. You can check out the customer within 2 to 3 seconds. There are two major ways to pull up the same repair job. Either you can scan the barcode, which is printed on the receipt, or you can add a ticket ID number, which is also always printed on the receipt. So once you do that, they'll pull up the same job. Again, before checking out customer or generating an invoice, you'll double check the information. On this window now, you can apply some discount. If a customer asks you to give him some discount, you can apply discount in percentage or in dollar amount. Let's say if I give discount of 5%, and that'll be applied to the total. Now, time to take the payment from the customer or generate final invoice. For that purpose, you'll simply click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, the payment window is popping up. Over here, one more interesting option is, let's say sometime you or your technician forgot to change the status from manage ticket section. Don't worry about it. As soon as you hit checkout, the status is automatically changed to repair and collected, and they'll close the ticket to automatic. So, anyways, I'll just click on confirm now. Once I hit on confirm again, I'm having pretty much same options, either to print thermal receipt or I can print a full A4 size receipt as well, or invoice. So that was again how to the whole process of how to create a repair job or how to then manage the ticket section, ending on how to actually check out the customer and generate an invoice. So now, guys, I'll be coming to the inventory section. That is the very also very interesting and the easiest part. I mean, it's very easy to manage or add your inventory or stock into the system. So in order to add your stock, so you'll simply go to manage inventory, mobile accessories, and parts. So once you go in there, you'll see the bunch of lists which is already in there. Uh, So even you can add it or update the existing data and make use out of it. But let's say you're looking to add a new item, you can do it by clicking on uh, plus product green tab. But let's say you got items in your store in bulk, might be 2 to 3 thousand items, and you want all of them to be imported in one go into the system. For that purpose, you'll simply click on hover your cursor over here, and you'll see two options like import or export inventory. All you gotta do, click on import inventory, and you'll simply see the option of download template file. So basically, the idea is you can put in all of the data in an Excel file. So let me quickly show you the file so you could have an idea. So that's how the file would look like. I mean, in the category field, you can always mark the right category. Let's say if that is simply a part, what you're going to associate with the repair shop. Always you can mark the type as part, so that'll go under the repair section. If that is any accessory or cable or even the phone itself, what you're going to sell individually, you can mark accordingly, so that'll go under the right category. Then you can put in the item name itself and the manufacturer device associated with it. And you can set up your retail and cost price in how much you have in stock, like on hand quantity is referring to your quantity, I mean, in stock. And you can even set up your stock warning or reorder level against every item. So if you're going out of your stock, system will be giving you alert on that too. So these are the necessary field to fill in. I mean, the only thing you actually need to keep in mind if you're adding new items in the file, keep that item ID number blank because that is system generated item ID numbers. So once you import it, system will generate automatically. So anyways, once you're done with adding up all of your data in the file, simply come back to inventory section, choose the file and upload it. So once you upload it, all the items will be uploaded at once into the system. So now the same way you can add your inventory items, just like you could add your repair services by going into manage services and repairs. So we have kept those, sections, I would say, separate to keep everything streamlined. Because let me give you an example. iPhone 7 screen, that is the one part you'll be using to replace the screen. But iPhone 7 screen replacement or water damage repair, these are the actual repair services you're offering to your customers. So you'll be adding up all of your repair services by going into managed services and repairs. So again, once you go in there, the options are pretty much same. You can add either the repair services or problems associated with devices one by one by clicking on plus product green tab, or you can do bulk import via Excel file option. All of your repair services you can add actually in one go. So that was the whole process of how to manage your inventory or repair services and also how you can add. Now I'll show you very interesting and powerful section built within the platform, which is called campaigners. So campaigner is something, if I go in there, so campaigner is something through which you can run your marketing automation emails to all of your customers against which, tickets or invoices are created, and you want to send them follow-up emails right after 1, 2, or 7 days. You can set up the time period so too as well. So just to give you an example, saying something nice to them, maybe, and thank you very much for giving us your business or getting the repair done with us. You can come back to our store next week sometime. We are running this promo on that. So you can run those marketing automation emails right from over here. So even you can set up SMS, I would say blast SMS. You can send all of your customers. If you're running any promo or you want to follow up with all of the customers. For that purpose, we got Repair Disk SMS services too. So I'll share the next video on Repair Disk SMS services. Later on maybe. So for now, I'll just move to report section. So just to give, I just already gave you an idea, guys. That is the brief. Dashboard. What you could see. What is your net profit or tax you have collected and all that. And you can even pull up your location daily sales report in PDF format. Uh, that is your location payment method. Let's say if you're, they'll be showing you how much you've collected in shape of cash or any other payment processor. Regarding payment processor, we got our own RepairDesk payment services, which is fully integrated with RepairDesk, so you won't have to do double data entry if you're using our own RepairDesk payment services. And we give you very good flat rates. No hidden charges, no monthly fee, and also give you terminal, which is only cost of $120, which actually costs you $500 in actual, but to our own customer, we just offer it 120 by subsidy. I would say by giving a subsidy on it. So, anyways, I'll move forward now. The stock alert is the same thing what I showed you before, and if you scroll down all the way down, as I said, we got plenty of reports in sales report, inventory, and employee report section. Regarding employee reports, we got another, I would say, interesting feature, which is called clock in and clock out. So for your employees, if you want to keep track down of their working hours, you can actually do that by they're monitoring their clock in and clock out time. So on the basis of clock in and clock out, even system can calculate their salaries or wages, whatever the time period you pay to them. For that purpose, you just need to assign them hourly rate while adding that particular employee. So, and also the same way we got cash register option or feature while starting the shift, you can click on start shift in order to start the register for the day. At the same time, once you're ending the shift, you'll just hit on end shift in order to enter register for the day. So you can print your reconciliation report by the end of the day to see what was like your transactions all the day you did. So if I show you, all the reports are, kind of self-explanatory, even you can explore them yourself too. But just to give you a quick idea, let's say if I pull up item-wise sales report. So if you pull that up again, let's see if I can pull any record. Yeah, so let's say any accessory item you're selling, or any particular, I would say, uh, repair you're doing, they'll be giving you further breakdown of your net profit margin or cost of goods sold. You can print that report in PDF format. You can directly print that out or download it in CSV. You can put in a search filter. Let's say you can pull up the report of any particular store, any particular, I would say, customer or date as well. So that's all about the report section. You can explore more once you get into the system. But I'll now move to integration section, which is also very one of the very interesting and powerful section of our platform. So if you come to our integration page, we got different integrations or partnerships with different major suppliers like Mobile Centrics, Indus Gators, or Revamp Wholesale. So the benefit of connecting the system like RepairDesk with the platform, with their platform, is you'll be able to directly order the parts and supplies right from your supplier in the platform, whether that is like Mobile Centrics or Injured Gathers. So, and also by a few clicks, you can actually import their item or inventory catalog. So you won't have to do manually again. So you could directly import and RepairDesk along with their SKU definitely. And then you'll be able to, of course, make the purchase order directly, and they'll place the order on their platform. And once you receive in the repair desk, the next question will come, how do you receive it? So once you receive it in repair desk, you just need to mark it as received, and they'll also update into your stock automatically. And if I scroll down a bit, we got other different payment integrations, but I would tell you no one could actually beat our rates or actually could uh, actually give you better services than repair this payment. So I would skip that section. But still, those are the options. That's totally up to you. We are integrated with Square. I mean, if you're already one of their customer, you can still use keep Square as your payment processor. Uh, so if I scroll down a bit, we got some wonderful widgets for your website. If you do got a website for your business, that's a plus or that's added advantage because you could use some of our wonderful widgets, just like appointment calendar or repair tracker. So appointment calendar is something once you embed on your website, customer will be able to track the status of their repair by coming to your website, and later on you can manage all those within repair desk. So if I show you the design and look of it, that's also very cool or very nice looking. So that's how that look like. I mean, you could definitely change the color and theme of it as per your uh, website color or theme. So once you submit the request, I'll be coming to your repair desk account under repairs and manage lead section. So from manage lead section, you'll be able to manage all of your repair appointments coming through your website. So the other integration we got, as I told you, which is Repair Tracker, as it says by the name, customer will be able to track the status of the repair by coming to your website. Once you link it to your website, so basically they'll be able to see what is the status like. Is like in progress, or repaired, or like waiting for the parts. So they'll see accordingly. So I'll show you now what very interesting and powerful integration, or you could simply call it widget. Actually, that is widget. So in the beginning, I mentioned you can always take the signature of the customer on secondary tablet or iPad. For that purpose, you just need to enable customer-facing display. That is the feature we have over here. So you need to enable it from over here first, and then go to model configuration. All you gotta do, copy that terminal First link for the in multi-store location case, you'll select the terminal accordingly for each location. So all you gotta do is just copy and paste it in the URL box of your tablet or iPad, wherever you want to take the signature of the customer, and that's it. So whenever you're booking in the job from your computer, Mac or PC, uh, and you hit on create ticket or checkout, the signature window will be popping up on the customer side on tablet or iPad with your store terms and conditions, and of course with work order details. So customer do the signature, you'll be able to finish the repair booking process. You just need to make sure once you do that, you always save the changes, otherwise that won't reflect. You can even display any GIF or image or any promotional banner on the iPad on the customer side if that is even sitting idle. So whenever customer is entering in your store, they'll be seeing it right away. So also within the customer facing display, another cool feature we have built in, which is called customer. Sorry, I got my email popped up. So self check-in configuration. That is something, as it says by the name, customer can self check-in his details by just filling in the details on the customer side on any tablet or iPad. So once you enable it from over here, you'll see a blue tab on point of sale screen. Once you go in there, all you gotta do if your store is busy, technician is busy, all you gotta do click on self check-in from point of sale screen. That'll pop up the simple form on the customer side, like just like their basic details, name, phone number, address, and all that. So once they submit it, they'll be coming to your main technician counter from point of sale on point of sale screen. So from there, actually, he'll be just needing to select the repair problem and convert it into the repair job, repair ticket. So that is actually can save a lot of years in your customer time too. So these are the some interesting widgets I wanted to show you while presenting the demo, of course. Uh, Self-check-in widget is the same thing which you can enable from within customer facing. If you want to set it up separately on separate device or tablet, you could do that separately from this particular section. We also got partnership with other, SMS service providers. So, I mean, if you want to set up SMS services as well within the email, you could do so. But as I said, we got our own SMS repair this SMS services, so you could actually rely on that too. Uh, we got other integration like Slack, Mailchimp. I mean, you could explore. So I just wanted to show you the main, I would say, widgets or feature. And last but not the least, we got a very active customer support department, which you can access right from your account. So it's not like you come to us, you paid us or sign up, we leave you alone. We take the full responsibility. So any question, any queries, you can directly click on right from your account. You click on Need Help. You can call us directly, email us, or the best way to get instant support is click on live chat, and always one of the live chat representative will be there to answer any questions you might have about the platform. So that's how the quick our customer support is. So along with that, we got other many more features, but due to I would say I did not want to make it, I would say prolonged. Just wanted to keep you short so you could keep it handy. Whenever you just want to have quick overview of our platform. So any more question you will have, you can directly contact us back by calling us at 313-1737. I repeat, 312-313-1737 in case of any question or queries. All right, so that was all from my side. Thank you for going through the demo, and we'll stay in touch. You have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.